Whoa. You all right? You okay? Yeah, man, I'm fine. I'm just really nervous right now. It's my first time flying.
Look, everything's gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be okay. I've flown a million times. It's gonna work out. You're gonna enjoy it.
Yeah, right. Sure, mister. Thanks. I appreciate it. Excuse me, please. Do you mind? Come on, please. Thank you. Thanks, Miss Jill.
You don't need to check with us about which airline to use, but before you buy your next auto, check with Carter.
Where's the throttle in this thing?
It's that one.